Today in Serdna Talks, we're going to talk about 3 things you need to do right now if you want to buy your first home in 2021. Buying a property for most people, it's not like buying shoes, meaning you won't be buying hundreds and hundreds of them in your lifetime. And for the majority of people, it's a huge financial move that requires tons of patience and planning. If you're still renting where you live, then perhaps this 2021 will be your last year renting. And you should stop paying someone else's mortgage and start paying yours today and not tomorrow. The following are 3 things you need to do right now if you want to buy your property this year. But you know what? Instead of 3 things, I think we're going to cover 5, which I think are very important. Let's talk about your credit. As you must know, your credit score will either open or close doors to you. And the higher your credit score, the more money you will save. Keep in mind that financing a property could be a 30-year commitment, and in an ideal scenario, your goal is to pay very little interest on your loan. Remember that your credit score is your friend until the end, whether you like it or not. It either will help you obtain a loan or not, and it will also help you save thousands and thousands of dollars by giving you access to the lowest interest rates in the market. In order to stay on track, we suggest you download an app that could help you track your credit score, such as Credit Karma. And you need to monitor your credit score every other hour, every day until you close on your loan. You should pay your bills on time before the due date will be ideal. And you should keep your credit card balance as low as possible. Another thing to remember, if you're a first-time home buyer, you might be able to find assistance programs or grants. And if you are on a tight budget, or if you would like to get things for free, and if you have all the time in the world, then another thing that you can do is to look for first-time home buyer assistance programs. You need to find where you want to live. Locate that city. You can either go to the city, call them, or go online and ask if they have any grants for first-time home buyers. Some grants are offered by the city or by the state, and some of these programs will help you pay for your closing costs or down payment, which is very cool. Another thing that you must do is to shop around for your lender and get pre-approved. That's very important. Get pre-approved. Now that your credit score is up and now that you have done your research, if you already have a grant to help you pay for your closing cost or for your down payment, then your next step is to shop around for the best mortgage broker. Don't go to your favorite bank. Look for and go to a mortgage broker. And if you live here in Florida and would like to work with the best in the industry, just let me know and I will connect you. Talk to multiple mortgage brokers. Ask tons and tons and tons of questions and compare which of those lenders is the one that will help you save thousands and thousands of dollars. And you should get pre-approved. Remember that. Get pre-approved. Don't waste anyone's time, especially yours. Use your time wisely, since you will never get it back. And once pre-approved, you will know how much you can borrow, and then you can start looking for your ideal home. If you have an FHA loan, then look for single-family homes. Don't look for condos. And if you have a conventional loan, then you can basically buy any type of residential property. One more thing. You should find an incredible realtor to work with you. Even if you're still renting, and even if you are a few months away from entering the housing market, start looking for your favorite realtor today, not tomorrow. Your realtor will be your guide and should only look for your best interest. Set up a new budget and live on it to anticipate the cost of owning a home. And now that you're ready to shop around, you should have a new budget. I'm serious. Owning a property is awesome. However, let me tell you that you will have tons and tons and tons of unexpected expenses. But you know what? That's awesome because we're talking about your home and not somebody else's. You should budget for utility bills, maintenance, property taxes, your mortgage, of course, insurance, etc. And remember that if you are a homeowner, you're eligible for homestead exemption, which will help you save money on your property taxes. If you have questions, remember to subscribe to Serdna Talks and to share all my videos with your friends and family. I have to go. See you soon. Ciao.